Hey guys, in this week's video I'm going to show you how to build this little kid's toolbox, and this one's going to one special little maker.
I started by running the box through SketchUp just to get a basic view of what I thought it was going to look like. This box consisted of only 6 different pieces. The 2 12-inch front faces, the 2 8-inch uprights, the 1 10.5-inch bottom plate, and 1 12-inch dowel. Other than the 12-inch dowel, this project was made with a single 1x4. To start the project, I referenced the cut list, measured out all my lengths, went over at my square to give myself a nice, good reference line for my miter saw. To start on the miter saw, I cut the first 2 12-inch front faces. Next, I cut out the 2 8-inch uprights. And finally, the bottom plate, which measured 10.5 inches. Went over the drill press, took a 1-inch Forstner bit, and cut through both of the uprights. Next, I added some glue to the bottom piece and attached one of the uprights with a pin nailer. I used 1.5-inch nails just to get a good bond between both the pieces. After both the uprights were on and square, I glued up both the front and rear faces. After everything was nailed up, ran over to the miter saw and cut out the 12-inch dowel. I painted his logo and finished the box with boiled linseed oil, and this is the final project.
Well guys, if you've got any little makers running around, build them a little toolbox. Their creativity may be an inspiration for yourself. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you next week with another project video.